So, ThredUp rescue boxes. What are they and how do you get them? My name is Amy. I'm a part-time reseller and I'm here sharing all my reselling tips and tricks with you. So ThredUp is an online, basically consignment store. You can send donations in, you can send in items to resell, but it's a huge website that has a ton of stuff that you can purchase. You can purchase individual items, accessories, shoes, clothing, but they do have something called rescue boxes. So these are one of the things that I absolutely love to get. With rescue boxes, a lot of times you can find brands that maybe you don't come across that often. It's also a great way to get inventory sent straight to your door without having to go to the thrift store. These items can be new with tag, they can be flawed. Typically, they're items that haven't sold on ThredUp before. So whether it's because size tags were missing or there was a flaw or it just didn't do well on the website, they put a lot of those items into their rescue boxes. So now I'm going to show you how you can get one for yourself. So this is what the website looks like. You're just going to go to thredup.com and you're going to see all these tabs up here, and you can look for whatever you want to through there, but you're going to go to deals and then you will see browse discount boxes. You're going to click there. And then this magical page will appear. So you will scroll down and you will see the different things they have. You can get bulk mixed clothing, handbags, a shoe box, men's clothing. Men's clothing is a really good box to pick on here because ThredUp doesn't sell men's clothes. So any men's clothes that get set into ThredUp will always end up going into a rescue box if they're not returned to the sender. They also have kids' shoes, mixed clothing. This is one of my favorite ones right here to get. They have DIY fabric, they have denim, scarves. You'll see whited out boxes like this. That means they're not available right now, but they do have like name brand handbags, DIY designers. So lots of different options, and they change these each day. You're always going to want to check this page early in the afternoon to see what boxes are new. When you pick the box you want, you will check the drop downs. Sometimes you can select sizes, like with the mixed clothing, and you're going to say, get this box. And then it's going to tell you what you're going to get. A variety of items, 25 items in mixed sizes. Promo codes typically don't work on these boxes. And then it's going to show you your total. That box is $60 and it's $65.85 with shipping. ThredUp boxes are a huge part of my reselling model. So let me know what you think in the comments and follow along for more tips.